The recession question is a good one, okay? And the reason I say this is I believe it's somewhat inevitable. The question is, are we in for a hard landing or a soft landing? All right, so generally what happens with a recession, the reason I believe we're going to be into it, it's defined by a back-to-back negative GDP growth. Okay, but if you also look from an economic point of view, things are slowing. Okay, and I've been saying for the last 6 to 7 to 8 months, I believe Canada and even the US, it's an inevitable that it's going to be announced at some point. You have to remember that when a recession is announced, generally markets lead us into a recession, which means that the equity markets start to slow down or decline, and they tend to lead us out of a recession. So regardless of when it's announced, it doesn't get announced today we're in a recession, but generally it looks back and says, hey, we've been in a recession for a couple of months, for however long that period it is. The same is true when we exit a recession. Markets could be actually roaring or have some significant upward trend in the midst of a recession, and then central banks will come out and say, hey, we're out of the recession. But again, they're going to go backwards long after markets have already started to recover. So it's really important to listen to what the media says, but don't get caught up in all the minor details.